Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from Group 1 and we want to review a movie, The Kite Runner. The Kite Runner is an adaptation of a novel by Khalid Hosseini, which tells the story of the friendship between Amir and Hassan during the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. Amir is from the Pushtun tribe and a wealthy family, while Hassan is from the Hazara tribe and the son of a servant named Ali. Amir lived with his father, and his mother had died giving birth to him. His mother's absence made Amir a quiet person, and he permanently resigned himself to being bullied. Hassan is always there for Amir and a protector for him.
One day, Amir took part in a kite race in his city. Amir managed to win the match. Hassan promised to bring Amir's broken opponent kites as a gift. In his search, Hassan is confronted by a group of the people led by Asef. They abuse Hassan and Amir sees the incident. The quiet Amir didn't dare to prevent this novice act. Finally, Amir chose to turn away and leave Hassan, who was being persecuted.
After the incident, Amir chose to stay away from Hassan. He did not want to be a burden to Hassan, but Hassan still wanted to be a friend with Amir and waited for Amir to read the story to him. Hassan likes Amir's stories, especially about Rothman and Sohrab, and Hassan also always praises Amir's story. The estrangement of their friendly relation continued until one night, December 28, 1978, a large-scale invasion of the Soviet Union. Amir and his father decided to go to America with minimal belongings and leave the house to Rahim. Amir and Hassan separated, and since then, Amir has not heard from Hassan.
Amir lived in America for several years and focused on his career as a writer. After his father's death, Amir got a call from his uncle, Rahim, and asked to visit him in Pakistan. Amir rushed to Pakistan to meet his uncle, who was sick. There, Amir learned the fact that Hassan, his brother, Rahim, also said that Hassan had died with his wife and left a child with Sohrab. Amir read Hassan's letter and ordered him to bring his son, Sohrab, to America. Hassan was sure that Sohrab's life there would be better than in Afghanistan, which was in conflict. In the letter, Hassan tells of their hometown, namely Kabul is not longer the same. The city is full of battles, starting for the invasion of the Soviet Union to the emergency of the Taliban. Make Afghanistan not a safe atmosphere. After reading the letter, Amir was determined to find Sohrab and bring him to America.
The journey to find Sohrab was not an easy one. At the time, Afghanistan was controlled by the Taliban. The Taliban is a radical Islamic group that want to rule Afghanistan. They impose harsh punishment for adulterers, murder, and theft. Amir asked Asef to give Sohrab to him. Apparently, Asef could not make the request faithfully. Amir and Asef get into a fight. Of course, Asef was superior to Amir. Sohrab, who saw incident immediately, took action by shooting Asif in the eye with his escape and left for America. Finally, Sohrab lived with Amir, and the movie closes with Amir playing a kite with Sohrab about Hassan's greatness. Sohrab begins to accept Amir's existence.
Behind the story of the Kite Runner, there is a dark history of the invasion of the Soviet Union or Russia. The incident takes place in Kabul in 1970. The movie takes the story of the war to depict Afghanistan during the Soviet Union invasion until the intervention of the Taliban, which has impacted the culture and the society in Afghanistan. Is that right, Rahma?
Yes, of course. Colonization by the Soviet was a form of support for the communist-leaning government. After 10 years of invasion, the Soviet troops withdrew due to the constant resistance of the Mujahideen until the Taliban were born, who were allegedly students of the Mullah and the transformation of the Mujahideen. The power vacuum that ensued gave the Taliban a chance to become rulers of Afghanistan. During their reign, the Taliban led a dictatorship and violent leadership style.
The Kite Runner is not just an story of emergence of the Taliban, friendship, and so on. The part that I like the most when Amir read the letter written by Hassan, because I think this part is the saddest in the movie. The first and the last letter that Hassan could write to his best friend. A letter written with struggle, because Hassan was initially illiterate. A letter that compresses how Amir and Hassan's childhood, because the breeding of children in Kabul, as well as that Hassan hopes can be avenged, but unfortunately, Hassan was killed by the Taliban.
I also agree with you, Nilvira. The best part of the Kite Runner, in my opinion, is where before Hassan did he left a letter to Rahim Khan, a friend of Amir Jan's father, to give to Amir. This part touched because when Rahim Khan told how Hassan's struggle was to be able to write a letter to Amir, where at first Hassan could not read and write. But Hassan continued to study so that he could write a letter to Amir, where Hassan learned to read and write himself, which Hassan did not yet give to Amir before he could write properly. In that letter, Hassan hopes that one day Amir will be able to reply to his letter. But unfortunately, before the Amir replied to Hassan's letter, Hassan had already died because he was killed by the Taliban.
Yes, I also think the same thing as you. That part is my favorite. But I have another favorite part that is no less great. That is when Sohrab saves Amir while fighting with Asif. Sohrab firstly shoots Asif in the eye with a slingshot. Wow, it's brave action for a child. I like it when the antagonist is surmounted. It was a pleasure for me. In addition, in this section, I can be learned to act when someone is in trouble.
I'm different from you. The best part in this movie, in my opinion, is when Hassan has a promise to bring the result of the right. But the Amir example, he is mistreated by Assegal friends. The friendship between Hassan and Amir is very strong. We can say that Hassan might wise defend Amir whenever anyone wants to Amir. And also, Amir is the one need to defend with a fine child and from the Hazara tribe.
Well, I also have some opinion with Nessa. The part I thought was good was Hassan played the role of Amir survived when people were bullying him. He loves Amir very much and will do anything to make his friend happy. One day, Amir won a kid race and Hassan won to present a kid against Amir. However, he was confronted and rescued by a group of people led by his nightborns. Amir eventually saw an incident, but the pretend not to know anything. His condice holds him back from saving Hassan. Amir slowly moved away from Hassan, and he was worried that his extension would be a burden to Hassan. However, Hassan still accompanies Amir and becomes his best friend.
Whatever part you like, this movie is good to watch because this movie is a spectacle. There are lessons to be learned. I like to quote from it. Wait, I will share screen for you. It is. I like this word. Procrastination will make things worse. And when you lie, you steal someone's right to know the truth.
Next. Who are we in this complicated world? And for you 1,000 times over. It's my favorite quote in the movie.
Pretty good. If the word I like is children are not like color books. You can color them like you are and don't let problems drag on. Whatever happens must be resolved immediately.
There is nothing worse than failing, and there is wise in like-minded life. Those are my favorite words. What about your favorite word, Susan?
As in anywhere, we must prepare ourselves for needs. And there is nothing more evil than stifling.
The message of the Kite Runner film is that it has many moral messages that can be just lessons taken from the true story of the Soviet and Afghan wars. The atmosphere in the film is very appropriate to the condition at that time. It's no wonder that this film was awarded the best film at the Oscar in 2008. However, this film has some drawbacks. This film does not explain the relationship between the Russian invasion and the emergence of the Taliban. And the audience is made to guess and know historically the story of Amir and Hassan childhood relationship because they spread it. Just like that, and only and continued from memories because Hassan did first.
Yeah, that's all the Kite Runner review that we can describe. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.